asked AI to invent a brand new recipe, and now I'm actually making it.
Alright, 1 banana, 100 grams of chocolate, and 1 egg.
But will this turn out delicious or a complete disaster?
That's it, no weird ingredients. Just simple thing you probably have at home. Yay, mix, mix, mix. Now we melt the chocolate. Yay, here's it. Next we beat the egg. Mix, 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 mix. Once that's done, we mix everything together. Banana, chocolate, egg. Now for the fun part. Take a spoon, drop little portions of the mixture onto a baking sheet. Now into the oven, they go 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Now they're done! Look at this! Oh my god, can't wait! They're soft, a little chewy, and smell amazing. Let's give it a taste! Wow, amazing! No sugar, no flour, oh my god. Guys, what do you think?